Samsung's revolutionary QD OLED TV, the S95B is a television like no other. With its advanced quantum dot technology, it offers incredible image quality, brightness, and clarity, along with access to some of the latest streaming services. It's the perfect combination of amazing technology and modern design. Discover all the amazing features of the Samsung S95B in today's video. Design. The Samsung QD OLED TV S95B comes in a sleek, slim design that is sure to fit in any room. This sleek and innovative television features an ultra-modern design that is sure to catch the eye of any viewer. Its tasteful black finish highlights its impressive design, giving it an unmistakable presence. One of the most impressive features of the Samsung TV is the minimal bezel design. This helps to give it the appearance that it's stretched out across the wall, almost like a window to the world. Plus, the narrow bezel helps to create a more expansive viewing area, meaning you can see more of the picture without compromising on the look of your wall. As an additional design innovation, Samsung's new rechargeable remote control stands out. The remote has USB-C port for recharging. It's great relief to see that this kind of TV has a function that makes it possible to check the TV's power source without physically touching it.
That's very convenient.
As will be explained in the next minute, the S95B's rear bodywork is exceptionally compact, leaving little space for superfluous add-ons like speakers. Sound review. Samsung's object tracking sound technology is used exceptionally well by the S95B, so that dialogue and background noises usually sound as though they are coming from the right place on or slightly off the screen. Nonetheless, the absence of bass and punch becomes more pronounced at louder volumes. It has believable and clear voices. And unlike Samsung's mini LED and conventional LED TVs, the sound doesn't get caught between the TV and the wall. As the action heats up, the S95B's audio flaws become more noticeable. Large-screen TVs may look and sound amazing, but they still fall short of the theater experience in a few key respects. In addition to this, the bass is relatively weak and make it buzzy and distorted when subjected to extreme conditions. Image review. After checking out the Samsung S95B, we can conclude that the QD OLED is worth the hype. The S95B's groundbreaking design and picture quality make it the most impressive television we've ever seen. As soon as you look at it, its stunning brightness and contrast will hit you like a brick to the face in a positive way.
Ouch.
Frank Lloyd Wright once said, "Television is like chewing gum for the eyes." The S95B's brightness advantage over standard OLED technology is not restricted to the extremely bright region, but is present everywhere on the screen. This device's advantage in average screen brightness is more obvious than its advantage in peak brightness. When exposed to strong natural or artificial lighting, the colors and contrast on Samsung's first QD OLED display pop out more than before. The S95B stands out from mini LED due to its superior shadow detail, which is visible even in extremely low light settings and areas of the image. Get a deep dive into the features and specs of this powerful TV by hitting the subscribe button to stay tuned for more updates. Specs. The S95B also has a range of smart TV features. It runs on their Tizen platform, which is also designed to make navigating your TV simple and intuitive. It's got direct access to many of the same streaming services as the LG C2, as well as access to a wide variety of apps. It also has voice control capabilities with Samsung's Bixby Assistant, which allows you to control your TV without even having to pick up the remote. The Samsung S95B is a high-end television with a cutting-edge QD OLED display, 4 high-bandwidth HDMI 2.1 connections, and an eARC interface. PC and console gamers are guaranteed the lowest possible input latency thanks to a variable refresh rate, VRR, that may reach up to 120 frames per second when the resolution is set to 4K. Since the newly introduced Samsung Gaming Hub is compatible with game streaming services like Google Stadia, Xbox Cloud Gaming, and Udemy, among others, you do not need a console or personal computer in order to play the most popular games on the S95B. You just need the S95B TV and a wireless controller that is compatible with the games you want to play.
Let's play!
High dynamic range, HDR content may be played on the S95B thanks to its support for HDR10, HDR10+, and HLG. However, the S95B, like other Samsung TVs, does not support Dolby Vision. You will in the coming minutes discover the price of the Samsung S95B. Price. For its initial QD OLED TVs, Samsung is only selling 55 and 65-inch versions, leaving those looking for a home theater experience without a Jumbotron option, and leaving those with normal rooms without a 40-inch option. The 55-inch model, officially known as the QN55 S95B, will cost $2,200, while the 65-inch variants, cleverly known as the QN65 S95B, will retail for $3,000. Getting the most out of the Samsung S95B's stunningly designed new TV technology may take some work on your part, but the high-quality picture you'll get in return is well worth the time and effort. If you want the best possible picture quality, an OLED TV is your best option. For the most part, the S95B has an excellent gaming display. Its strong Samsung presentation and its excellent color, contrast, and brightness make HDR gaming seem incredible. Overall, the Samsung S95B QD OLED is the better option when it comes to ultimate gaming performance and features. But that doesn't mean it's the right choice for everyone. For those looking for a balance between performance, features, and price, the LG C2 may be a great choice. Check out our other video on the ultimate gaming comparison between LG C2 and Samsung S95B to know which one provides the best gaming experience. Thank you for watching today's video. I hope you enjoyed it. I can't wait to see you at our next.